What if one simple move, done every single day, could change the way your legs feel, the way your clothes fit, and the confidence you carry when you walk? 100 squats a day sounds straightforward, but most people have no idea what actually happens to their body when they commit to it. Will your legs get stronger? Will your glutes grow? Will your knees hurt? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to do this safely so it actually works. Welcome in. I'm a certified fitness coach, and today we're breaking down one of the most popular lower body challenges out there, doing 100 squats a day. This video is designed for beginners and intermediate fitness levels, and you don't need any equipment. You can do this at home, at the gym, or even during a busy day when time is tight. We're going to walk through what happens to your body over time, which muscles are doing the work, how to structure your squats so you avoid pain, and how to modify this challenge if 100 reps feels like too much right now. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also explain how to turn this simple habit into real total body progress, not just tired legs. Let's start with a quick warm-up mindset. If you're squatting every day, warming up matters. Take a moment to loosen your hips, knees, and ankles. A few gentle leg swings, hip circles, and easy bodyweight squats will help your joints move smoothly and reduce stiffness. Now, what happens in the first week of doing 100 squats a day? The most common feeling is soreness. Your thighs and glutes may feel tight, especially when sitting down or standing up. This is normal. Your muscles are being challenged in a new way, and they're learning how to fire more efficiently. You may notice your balance improves and everyday movements feel a little easier. A squat is a powerful lower body exercise. It primarily works your glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings while also engaging your core and lower back to keep you stable. When done correctly, it trains your body to move as one strong unit. If 100 squats feels intimidating, here's the key. You do not need to do them all at once. Break them into manageable sets, 10 sets of 10, 5 sets of 20, or even spread them throughout the day. If you're a beginner, start with shallow squats or use a chair to sit back onto. That still counts. If you're more advanced, slow the tempo or add a pause at the bottom to increase intensity. By weeks 2 and 3, strength changes start to show. Your legs feel more powerful. Stairs become easier. You may notice your glutes feeling firmer and more activated. This happens because repeated squatting improves muscle endurance and coordination. Your body becomes more efficient at using the muscles you already have. Now let's talk about fat loss and toning. Squats burn calories and build muscle, but 100 squats alone will not magically burn fat from one specific area. What they do is help build lean muscle, and muscle supports a higher metabolism. Combined with regular movements and balanced nutrition, this challenge absolutely supports body composition changes over time. Knee comfort is a common concern, so let's address it honestly. Squats should not hurt your knees when done correctly. Focus on sitting back through your hips, keeping your chest tall, and pressing through your heels. If you feel sharp pain, reduce depth or volume and give your body time to adapt. Consistency should feel challenging, not damaging. As you progress, you can increase difficulty without increasing reps. Try slower squats, pulse squats, or sumo squats to target the inner thighs and glutes differently. This keeps your body adapting and prevents plateaus. Here's the biggest change most people don't expect from doing 100 squats a day. It's not just physical strength, it's confidence. You begin to trust your body. You prove to yourself that you can commit to something daily, even when motivation is low. That mindset shift is where real transformation starts. Strong legs build a strong foundation. When your lower body is powerful, everything else improves. Your posture, your balance, your energy. Consistency turns simple movements into long-term results. As we wrap up, take a moment to slow things down. Gently stretch your thighs, glutes, and hips. Take a deep breath and let your legs relax. Recovery helps your muscles grow stronger and keeps your joints feeling good. So what happens if you do 100 squats a day? Your legs get stronger, your glutes become more active,
your endurance improves, and your confidence grows. The best results come from good form, smart progression, and listening to your body along the way. Now, if this video helped you understand what really happens when you do 100 squats a day, take a moment to like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective fitness guidance you can actually stick to. Turn on notifications so you never miss a workout or fitness breakdown. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me how many squats you can do right now, or if you've ever tried this challenge before. And when you're ready, check out the next video on the channel where we combine squats with a full body routine for even better results. Keep moving, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next workout.